Hello guys, welcome back. So now we're going to learn how to use or make comments in our files. And this is very useful to know where we kind of left off in our work. So we're going to go ahead and open up our website and we're going to go to index.html. And we're going to write a comment, and this comment is going to tell us who is the author, who's the creator. And the way you do comments in HTML5 is by doing a greater than sign, an exclamation mark, and 2 dashes, and we're gonna say creator is you, and 2 more dashes and a smaller than sign. And that's how we do comments in HTML. And the reason why I say they're comments is because they're not viewable in a website. So if you go to Internet Explorer and you open this up, you're not gonna see that comment, creator you, and that really helps out. For example, by doing the creator, let's say you're working with a team, you can say date edited was, I don't know, let's say 4/15/14 by you. So now the other developers that are working with you kind of know when you edited this and what you edited. You could say I edited this. I edited the code below. So now your friends or your fellow developers know what's going on. Additional to that, there's a different way to do this, to do comments in CSS. So we're gonna go ahead and open the CSS file, and we're gonna make a comment. We're gonna make a comment on what the rule is actually doing. So we're gonna go ahead and say the CSS rule is changing the background color to red and the font size to 60 pixels. So that's the way to do it for CSS. Now we're gonna save this, and we're gonna save our HTML file, and we're gonna see that none of this is gonna show up into the browser. So that's pretty much what comments are, just reminders or ways to remind yourself or the people that are working with you about what's going on. So there you go. It doesn't show up. It doesn't change the CSS. If this code weren't inside, it might not, but it could mess up the CSS. So let me try that, see if it messes it up. And yes, it did. It completely took out all the formatting. So make sure that you know how to make comments in both CSS and HTML correctly, so you can help yourself remember these things or help your team. And that concludes it for our section on comments. Thank you.